5-minute morning wake-up yoga in San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. You don't need anything for this practice, so just come to the front of your mat. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, and you're going to side bend over to the right side. Back to center, and take it over to the left. Inhale, back to center. And exhale, take a gentle forward fold. Bend those knees. Inhale to a long spine. And exhale, step that left foot back. Coming into a low lunge, fingertips to the ground, drop the hips, inhale. And exhale, step back, downward facing dog. Take a moment here, just pedal those legs out. Good morning, wake them up. See how your body feels this morning. Inhale, shift forward to a plank. And exhale, take it into a low push-up. Upward facing dog, inhale, shoulders back, gaze forward. And a challenge, press back, plank. Into downward facing dog. Lift the left leg, inhale. And exhale, step the left foot between the hands. Little low lunge, inhale. I'm going to step the right foot forward to meet the left. Long spine, inhale. And exhale, forward fold. Interlace the hands, take a shoulder stretch. Arms extending up overhead. Relax the neck. And as you release that bind, come into a chair pose briefly, arms up overhead. As you rise to standing, forward fold back through center. Inhale, long spine. As you step the left foot back, we're coming into a high lunge. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. And exhale, side bend to the right. Grab that left wrist, press back through that left heel. Inhale, back to center. Cactus those arms, open up the chest. Lower the hands down to the mat. Step the right leg high, three-legged dog. Bending that right knee, point those right toes. Bring right knee to right elbow, little core work. Plank pose to low push-up, upward dog. Take it back, downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Lift the right leg high, inhale. Now step the right foot between the hands, coming into a high lunge. Inhale, arms up overhead. And exhale, twisting, right hand behind you, left arm forward. Take a little back bend in this one, lift up through the chest. And as you twist, step the left foot up to meet the right, chair pose twist. Breathe, inhale. And exhale. Come back through center chair. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale to a long spine. Step the right foot back, come into a high lunge. Side bending from here. Grab the right wrist, lift up and over to the left. Deep breath in. Back to center. Cactus those arms. Heart opening, chest opening, sunrise above. Inhale. And exhale, hands down to the mat. Step back, three-legged dog. Left leg lifting up and back. Left knee to the sky. Left knee to left elbow. You're still in plank. Just extend that left foot back. Plank position to low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Good, downward facing dog, exhaling. Left leg high, inhale. Now stepping the left foot between the hands, coming back up to a high lunge. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, twisting the left hand behind you, right arm forward. A little back bend, lift up through the chest, strong through the legs. And twist right elbow over the left knee to step the right foot up. Chair pose twist. Deep breath in. And exhale, twisting. Back to center, chair pose. And exhale, rise all the way up, back bending. Separate your feet inner hip distance, lift up and overhead. Back bend deeply. And a gentle forward fold. Bend those knees. Wiggle a little side to side. Decompress your spine. Feel your feet grounding to the earth at the start of a new day. Travel makes you realize that no matter how much you think you know, there is always more to learn in the world. Always learning, live free.